There is one reason that people are not able to write, and that reason is that they're not writing garbage. It's extremely important for everyone who wants to say anything to anyone to write as much as you can every single day. I've coached a lot of leaders, a few hundred of them in storytelling. And a lot of times they come up with excuses like, I'm not creative enough, I'm more of a numbers person, I don't know how to articulate this complex thing, I prefer the data. If I say what needs to be said, then different decisions will have to be made. It'll create more complexity. So there are millions of reasons to not say what you need to say to the people that you need to say it to, but not, but the answer is not getting stuck. The answer is not a block. The answer is getting into the flow of expression. What I have realized as a journalist for 15 years, as a writer, as a coach, as a speaker, is that if you do one thing every single day, it's like a muscle that you work on. You just put in the reps, you can get into the flow of expression in your professional, personal, any kind of space where you want to say something. I recommend this one book. It's considered life changing by many artists. It's called The Artist's Way by Julia Cameron, but also by professionals of varied sectors, roles, professions, no matter what it is that you do. Julia Cameron suggests that you write morning pages. Morning pages are essentially a word vomit that you do very first thing in the morning. You just set your alarm for about an hour, maybe even 30 minutes before you usually wake up. And you get a notepad. This is my notepad. And you write 3 pages. It could be about what you ate, it could be about what you're thinking, what you're feeling, about some joke that your kid told you. It could be about the coaster on the table, the dining table, the leaves, the trees, the boss that you hate, something that you're upset about, the emotion that you're still processing. It could be about the board meeting that's coming up. It could be about the content that you want to create. It could be about anything. I have written pages that literally starts with ah, and it's okay. The important thing is doing it every single day, making it a habit to express yourself, get it down on paper, and create a flow of words. Just that. Like one word after another word, one sentence after another sentence, and slowly fill in 3 pages. It can be complete garbage and it's fine. If you feel some kind of shame or guilt or anything about what you've written, you can just burn it in the candle, flush it. It doesn't matter. All that matters is that you write. If you feel like there are things in your journal that are confidential, you'd not like anyone to see, you could get one of those journals that has a lock and a key. Whatever works for you. All that's important is that every single day you get up and you do it for a few days, a few weeks, and you see that you don't need great vocabulary, you don't need to be very creative, you don't have to be an artist, you don't want to be a writer, but your storytelling will improve. The way you answer any question will improve. Your communication in every walk of life, no matter what it is that you're doing, what you're going for, will become more polished, it will become clearer, your thoughts will have more coherence. You will essentially be in this loop of creation, and your expression will get finer and finer and finer. So, my only recommendation is write morning pages, get a notepad, get a pen. You don't need any technology. Please don't do this on your phone or your laptop or anything that's connected to the internet. It's simple, straightforward, old school way of improving your communication. And morning pages are not just for artists. This book is not just for artists. It's a 12-week program. Every chapter is designed for 1 week, and there are 12 chapters. Just read one chapter a week and write these pages. The results are phenomenal. At the very least, for me, I've been doing this for about 7 months now, and I have found so much more courage in my expression that years of writing and publishing for public domains did not give me this kind of courage. But morning pages and the ability to just write, to dissolve, to let it go, to forget about it, and not make it into any kind of a mission has given me a lot as a writer and a teacher. It has improved my articulation, the way I connect, the conviction with which I'm able to communicate something complicated is just a million times better than what it used to be. Get a pen and a paper, and I'll see you in the next video.